Platinum partner LMTEQ, and right now I have Jasir with me from LMTEQ. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much.
And Jasir, I want to know from you what made the Manufacturing IT Summit India the right platform for your brand?
The Manufacturing IT Summit, which is happening in Mumbai, is the right platform because we were able to meet multiple customers in terms of their vertical problems, their industry pain points, and how ServiceNow can resolve their pain points. This also helps them with expanding their network with AI and automation powered platform with the help of ServiceNow.
Okay, perfect. And any specific conversation or connection that stood out for you on the floor today?
With many CEOs and CIOs, we were able to give the C-suite people what is the expected executive summary that is required in the modern world, because nobody wants to be in the old school era where we are all looking at an AI powered era. We are all planning 10 years ahead, 15 years ahead. So this was a great conversation that we had with our customers in terms of AI.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, and it was great to have you with us.